Are you frustrated by one-size-fits-all solutions? Introducing Capsule CRM, to meet your unique business needs effortlessly. Create custom fields for any data you track. Tailor your sales pipelines with personalized milestones that resonate with your workflow. Plus, add your brand's touch with custom logos and colors, making Capsule feel like home. Why choose Capsule? Our platform offers ultimate flexibility, robust customization, and top-notch security with two-factor authentication. Join Simon Young from Red Circle Network. It's simple and yet we can customize too. Ready to revolutionize your workflow? Sign up today and experience the Capsule difference.